Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my Shergaon trip, and if you haven't watched my part 1 yet, I would really recommend you to check out that first because this is the continuation. So welcome to part 2. So day 2 was quite an experience. From the very morning it was raining and we had earlier planned to visit the Choskorong Waterfall, but because of continuous rain we have to drop that idea. Instead of visiting the Choskorong Waterfall, we went to see the horticulture farm. The place was lined up with apple trees on every sides. But since it was not the season, we are not allowed to pluck any apples from the trees. Usually the apples are ready for sale from the month of August. So whenever you visit this place in the month of August, you can purchase apple from the farm itself. By the time we finished exploring, it was already afternoon, and we came to this resort in Shergaon, Oakley Grove Resort, for lunch. So we ordered Shergaon's famous trout fish. The fish was fresh, delicately cooked, and bursting with flavor. Honestly, if you ever come to Shergaon, trout fish is a must try. After lunch, our next destination was Bomdila. The road to Bomdila was filled with scenic views. Bomdila has a lovely vibe. We explored the local market, which was full of life. The streets were lined up with colorful shops selling colorful woolens, handicrafts, and local goods. Walking through the roads, browsing the items, talking to the shopkeepers gave us a chance to know more about the place, about their culture. Once we are done with the shopping and strolling through Bomdila, it was time to begin our journey back to Guwahati. All along the road, waterfall appeared out of nowhere. It was mesmerizing and honestly, it was hard to take your eyes off the view. And that's how our Shergaon trip wrapped up. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next vlog.